Customer value is the difference between the benefit the customer gains from owning and using a product and the costs of obtaining the product. The basic equation for customer value is benefits minus costs is equal to value. The higher the benefits and the lower the costs, the higher the total customer value is going to be. Total customer benefit is categorized into two types of benefits: functional benefits and emotional benefits. The functional benefits consist of product and service benefits, whereas the emotional benefits consist of personal benefit and image benefit. Total customer cost is the bundle of costs customers expect to incur in evaluating, obtaining, using and disposing of the given market offering. Product and service benefit is associated with the actual product or service's benefit, including its functions, styling, features, effectiveness, and performance. A product's benefit is tangible, whilst a service's benefit is intangible. For example, taking the bus is not as effective as buying a Ferrari would be when one is contrasting speed, handling, and time. Personnel benefit is the people who work for the organisation to help you with your buying decision and process. The way the organisation that is selling the product or service treats the customer and assists them can play a large role on how the customer feels that the value was delivered. An example could be that in the Ferrari shop, the salespeople offer their full knowledge and assistance. Image benefit is the benefit that a customer gets from the product or service with regards to their status. For example, when a person buys a Ferrari compared to taking the bus, the customer buying the Ferrari wants to show off their wealth and choice in car, as that company's reputation is reflected in the customer if they are using their product. Monetary costs are the physical amount of money the product or service costs. In most cases, if a product or service cost is high, then the total customer cost is high. For example, taking the bus is not going to cost as much as buying a Ferrari. Time and effort costs are similar in that if a product or service takes a lot of time and effort to obtain, they become less desirable to the customer and therefore less customer value. For example, when purchasing a Ferrari, there are very limited stores at which they can be bought, and even so, the delivery time it takes for the majority of the cars that need to be imported is time-consuming. Also, if the car needs to be repaired, parts need to be brought in from overseas, and a lot of effort needs to be done for this to be prepared. Psychic costs is the cost to do with the soul and the mind. If the product or service brings peace of mind, then the cost will be less, but if the product or service doesn't bring peace of mind, then the cost will be higher.